Okay, guys, I want to talk to you about these women's 2-pack 32 degrees heat. So these are really interesting, really cool. What's good about these is they stay warm under your garment. Helps keep the heat in. It says here, heat retention, which is very important. Soft hand feeling, which is very, very soft. They're quick dry, so they have a nice wicking moisture. They wick away the moisture. Super comfort and odor, anti-odoring, which helps absorb odor. You can feel here how they feel. They feel super soft. I use these all the time, especially in the winter and the fall. This is a 2-pack. Different sizes are available. I just want to show you what they look like. I'm taking them out of the package. What's cool about these packages too, they're self-sealing. So you open them up like this here. You can see, and I will take it out for you and show you exactly what they look like. I have a little dry package in here, one of those little packages to keep them dry. And I'm going to show you how they're made. Let me just take these out of the package. There's a set of 2 in here. Let me get these out of the way. And I want you to see. Let's take a look at one together. This is a set of 2, like I said. And let's move this out. Okay, so here we have one right here. And this is, again, size medium. Again, they are, you can see, 32 degree heat. And they're nice, soft, almost like a silky feel to these. This is long sleeve, so you can see. Nice long sleeve. And these are true to size, just so you know. If you like them, and you should wear them a little snug. You want them to be tight against your body. That's the idea behind these. Again, long sleeve. You can see really, really nice quality. Every year we always buy a couple of these, and we actually love them. It helps keep the heat in, absorbs the moisture, and also helps with odor, which does. Definitely highly recommend. Also, no tag. Tagless here, as you can see, it's just like a almost like a heat seal right inside here. So no irritation on the skin, which is super important. And multiple sizes are available in this product. This is a black, and this is a scoop neck, just so you know. You can see that is a scoop neck. So my wife absolutely loves these, and we highly recommend them. Thanks for watching my review. Appreciate your time.